All right, let's just jump right into it. Have you ever looked at some creators and just thought, how are they doing it? Like they seem to be hitting it big while so many others, maybe even you, feel like you're just stuck? Well, today we're going to break down the viral creator formula. We're looking at two totally different ways of thinking, the noob versus the pro. This is all about what it really takes to get views.
So as we go through this, I really want you to ask yourself one simple question. Are you a creator noob or a creator pro? And hey, no judgment here. Seriously. This is all about just being honest, spotting the habits you have right now, and then figuring out what you need to do to get where you want to go.
You know, when you boil it all down, the difference is actually super simple, but it is profound. The noob is basically waiting for lightning to strike. They're just hoping for that one viral video to magically appear out of nowhere. But the pro, they know it's not about magic, and it's definitely not about luck. It's about building a system. So let's tear that system apart and see exactly how it works.
And that brings us right into part one, the first huge difference, the mindset of volume. This is really the ultimate battle of consistency versus pure dumb luck.
Man, this quote it nails the noob approach perfectly. It's that lottery ticket mindset, right? They pour every ounce of energy into one single piece of content, and then they just wait. It's such a passive way to operate, and honestly, it's a recipe for disappointment almost every single time.
Yeah, and this single number says it all. 1. When you bank everything on one video, think about what you're doing. You're giving the algorithm next to nothing to work with. How is it supposed to learn who to show your stuff to? And you're only giving your potential audience one tiny little door to find you. It is such a high-stakes, low-probability gamble.
On the other hand, the pro's strategy of just consistently uploading is so powerful because it creates this amazing feedback loop. Every single time you post, you're actually doing 4 critical things. You're feeding the algorithm more data. You're building a whole library of content for new people to discover and binge. You can't help but get better at your craft. And most importantly, you're building trust because your audience knows you're going to show up.
So the big mindset shift here is this. Stop thinking like a lottery player who's just hoping for one lucky ticket. You need to start acting like a system builder, creating a machine that consistently churns out opportunities for success.
All right, on to the second piece of this puzzle, the habit of analysis. And this is a big one because it's where we separate unproductive emotional obsession from actual game-changing insight.
Oh, the analytics refresh button. Come on, we've all been there, right? Hitting it over and over. But for the noob, it becomes a total obsession. They're constantly checking, looking for that hit of validation. And when it doesn't come, which, let's be real, it often doesn't right away, their motivation just completely tanks. It becomes this emotional roller coaster that's driven entirely by numbers. The pro, however, approaches their data with a completely different mission. It's not about feeling good, it's about getting smarter. Their process is methodical. First, they check data wisely, not constantly. Second, and this is the absolute key, they study what's already working. They dive deep into their best videos and ask why. Why did this one connect? And third, they use what they learned to form a hypothesis. They guess, okay, I think it was the hook in the first 3 seconds, or maybe it was the editing, and then they try to repeat it. It's basically the scientific method for being creative.
So this is the habit shift you need to make. Are you looking at your numbers for a pat on the back, for validation, or are you looking for clues? The pro creator acts like a detective, piecing together all the little insights to solve the big puzzle of what their audience truly wants.
Okay, so we've covered volume and analysis. Let's get to our final, and maybe the most important part, the strategy of value. This is the ultimate showdown, trends versus niches.
This is such a common trap. A noob sees some random trend blowing up, a viral dance, a trending audio, and they just jump on it, even if it has absolutely nothing to do with what they normally make. What they're doing is chasing someone else's audience and someone else's success, just hoping a little bit of that viral magic will rub off on them.
A pro does the exact opposite. Instead of chasing what's popular everywhere, they go deep with niche research. They're asking really smart questions like, what are people in my specific community already searching for? What problems can I solve for them? By doing this, they're making content that already has a hungry, built-in audience just waiting for it.
And this comparison just lays it all out there. Chasing trends might get you a temporary spike in views, sure, but those viewers are there for the trend, not for you. They have zero loyalty. They'll be gone tomorrow. But focusing on a niche, that builds a real, loyal, engaged audience over time. It's the difference between a one-night stand and a long-term relationship with your viewers.
So really, what this all boils down to is a shift from being a follower to becoming a leader. When you truly serve a niche, you stop making random content and you start building a community around a shared interest, with you right at the center. And that is an incredibly powerful place to be.
Okay, let's bring all this home. Let's put everything together and map out your clear path from noob to pro.
This table is basically your cheat sheet. When it comes to volume, it's luck versus consistency. For analysis, it's obsession versus insight. And for value, it's chasing random trends versus researching a specific niche. That's it. This is the playbook. Ultimately, this is the choice every single creator has to make. The noob path often leads to nothing but frustration, feeling like you're stuck in the mud. The pro path, though, that's the one that leads to sustainable growth and the kind of viral success that can actually build a career.
So I'll leave you with this final thought to take with you. Looking back at everything we've covered, what is the first pro action you are going to take? Are you going to finally commit to an upload schedule? Maybe block out 30 minutes to really analyze your best performing stuff. Or are you going to start digging into your niche? That first step, well, that's up to you.